We be rising every day. Join me while we make an alkaline meal prep. If you guys want more information on alkaline foods, I will link one of my videos up above here. But let's get into the meal prep. This is a new recipe, chickpea curry. Let's go. Okay, so we got some blackberries, we got some strawberries and some grapes, and I just let that soak for about 15 minutes in baking soda, and that just helps to clean the fruit. These are all organic as well. All right, guys, so to start the meal prep, I got some wild rice cooking. And then over here, I already got some of my meal prep dishes going. I'm soaking some chickpeas. So these are 2 cans of chickpeas. I have a can of organic diced tomatoes, 796 mils. We got 2 cans of coconut milk, 405 mils each. And then I started cutting up my veggies. So I have some 2 chopped zucchinis. We have 3 sliced carrots, and these are how thinly I slice them. I have 1 diced large onion, 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna throw in some frozen broccoli. This is what I love about this meal, you guys, is you can add, any kind of veggies that you like. We're gonna be adding in, these are our spices that we're gonna be adding in. So some turmeric, curry powder, cumin, some sea salt, and the garam masala. All right, so you're gonna need a large pot for this recipe. We're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil. All right, so we'll turn this on high. Okay, so I got my veggies here. We're just gonna saute the onion and garlic, and then we'll do that for about a minute or so. And then we'll add in the rest of the veggies. So we're just gonna saute the carrots and the zucchini for a few minutes. Okay, next we're gonna add in the frozen broccoli, the tomatoes, and the coconut milk. Another can of coconut milk. Whew, now we're cooking. And the chickpeas. And we're also going to be adding in our spices. So I have 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I just use my hand for measuring. 2 tablespoons of cumin, and then 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and you can add as much spice as you like, and also some sea salt. And then we're gonna turn this on high and give this a good stir so all the vegetables can cook. Okay, you guys, now that this is coming to a boil, what I like to do is add in some extra vegetables. Leafy greens, we got some spinach here. Just gonna throw the rest of that in. So it's brought to a boil, and then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna give it a nice stir, and then we're gonna put this on low heat, and we're gonna let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So just give it a nice stir. It smells really good, you guys. I wish you could smell this. And look how colorful it is. That's beautiful. And you're getting so many vegetables in here. And I also got my wild rice cooking right beside me there. So what we're doing is we're just wanting to make sure all the vegetables are cooked. So I don't do it too low of a heat. I do it about medium-low heat, just so all the vegetables cook. Now I'm going to be adding in the juice of 1 lemon, and I wouldn't skip this part because this is going to really bring out the flavors of this recipe. And we'll give it a stir. Okay, you guys, there's one more secret ingredient, and this is how you know it's Canadian. A little bit of maple syrup. And give it one last stir. And we're gonna let this cool off, and then we can do our meal preps, and it'll thicken up. Now we're gonna be putting all of this together. So I got the wild rice on the bottom. We're putting the chickpea curry on top. We have our fruit, and I of course eat my fruit first, and then I have the rice chickpea. And meal prepping saves me so much time, and I'm less likely to eat other unhealthy foods out there. So it keeps me right on track. And let me know if you guys try this recipe in the comments down below. And as always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh foods, be getting in some sunshine and fresh air. When you do that, we'll all be rising.